How to use scholarships to legally prove funds and move abroad. Have you ever dreamed of living in another country, studying at a world-renowned university, or starting a new life abroad? For many, this dream feels out of reach, often because of one significant hurdle: proving you have sufficient funds. Immigration processes and visa applications frequently demand substantial financial evidence. This requirement can be daunting, leading some to consider risky shortcuts or give up entirely. But there is a legitimate, powerful, and ethical solution that can turn your international aspirations into reality. This solution is scholarships. Scholarships are not just about free money. They are a strategic tool for proving financial stability. They offer a clear, verifiable path to meeting the stringent financial requirements for international visas. This guide will show you exactly how to leverage scholarships to legally prove your funds and successfully move abroad, without any shortcuts. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share so others can benefit. Also, smash the bell notification so you don't have to miss any update. Moving abroad, whether for study, work, or relocation, almost always involves demonstrating financial self-sufficiency. This is a critical component of most visa applications. Governments want assurance that you will not become a public charge in their country. The proof funds requirement is often the biggest roadblock for aspiring expats, travelers, and students. It typically involves showing bank statements with a specific minimum balance, held for a certain period. For many, accumulating such a large sum can be incredibly challenging. This is where scholarships become indispensable. They provide a legitimate and recognized source of funding that satisfies these financial requirements. A scholarship award letter from a reputable institution or organization serves as official proof of your financial backing. It's a powerful document that can unlock your international journey. Scholarships move beyond simply covering tuition. They can encompass living expenses, health insurance, and even travel costs. This comprehensive support directly addresses the financial proof needed for your visa application. By securing a scholarship, you are not just getting an education or an opportunity. You are gaining the financial credibility required to legally reside abroad. Securing a scholarship to prove funds for moving abroad requires a strategic, methodical approach. It's about more than just applying. It's about aligning your goals with available opportunities and presenting a compelling case. Follow these steps to maximize your chances of success. Step 1. Research and identify opportunities. The first crucial step is comprehensive research. You need to identify scholarships that are specifically designed for international students or individuals seeking to move abroad. Look for awards that cover more than just tuition fees. Focus on scholarships that explicitly mention living stipends, accommodation allowances, or comprehensive financial support. These are the types of scholarships that directly address the proof of funds requirement for visa applications. Utilize comprehensive scholarship databases, university websites, and government portals. Explore scholarships offered by specific countries, universities, or even private organizations. Some scholarships target students from particular regions or those pursuing specific fields of study. Be broad in your initial search, then narrow down based on eligibility and financial coverage. Consider scholarships from your home country that support study abroad, or those from your target country for international applicants. Don't overlook grants from non-governmental organizations or foundations with a global focus. Every potential source is worth investigating. Step 2. Targeted applications. Once you have identified potential scholarships, the next step is to apply strategically. Do not use a generic application for every opportunity. Each scholarship application must be tailored to the specific requirements and values of the awarding body. Read the eligibility criteria carefully and ensure you meet every single one. Highlight how your academic achievements, extracurricular activities, and personal experiences align with the scholarship's mission. Generic applications rarely succeed. Craft compelling essays that articulate your motivations, goals, and how the scholarship will help you achieve them. Emphasize your commitment to your chosen field and your potential contributions. Show genuine passion and a clear vision for your future abroad. Seek strong letters of recommendation from professors, employers, or mentors who know you well. These letters should speak to your character, abilities, and potential for success. Provide your recommenders with all necessary information and ample time. Step 3. Documentation is key. Gathering all necessary documentation is a critical part of your scholarship application. This process requires meticulous attention to detail and organization. Missing or incorrect documents can lead to immediate disqualification. Ensure you have official transcripts from all previous educational institutions. These must be accurate and often require specific formatting or translation. Plan ahead to obtain these well in advance of application deadlines. Prepare a professional and up-to-date curriculum vitae sheet or resume. This document should clearly outline your academic history, work experience, skills, and any relevant achievements. Tailor it to highlight experiences relevant to your scholarship application. Write a powerful personal statement or essay that addresses the scholarship prompts directly. This is your opportunity to tell your story, explain your aspirations, and demonstrate why you are the ideal candidate. Proofread meticulously for any errors. If required, obtain official acceptance letters from the educational institutions you plan to attend. Many scholarships are contingent upon your admission to a program. Secure these acceptances before finalizing your scholarship applications. Step 4. The proof of funds angle. This step is paramount for your visa application. When applying for scholarships, explicitly articulate how the scholarship funds will cover your living expenses, tuition, and other costs. This demonstrates your understanding of the financial requirements for moving abroad. In your essays and interviews, emphasize that the scholarship is not just for your education, but also for your financial stability while living internationally. Frame the scholarship as the key to meeting visa financial proof requirements. This shows foresight and responsibility. Highlight how the scholarship will enable you to focus on your studies or work without financial strain. This reassures visa officers that you will be self-sufficient. It reinforces your commitment to your purpose abroad. If the scholarship offers a specific stipend for living costs, make sure to mention this clearly. Quantify the financial support whenever possible. This concrete information strengthens your case for both the scholarship and your visa. Demonstrate that you have a clear budget and understanding of the cost of living in your target country. This shows you are prepared and have thought through the practicalities of your move. It adds another layer of credibility to your application. Step 5. Acceptance and confirmation. Once you receive a scholarship offer, the final and most critical step for proving funds is obtaining official documentation. This official letter from the scholarship provider is your primary proof of financial support for visa purposes. Ensure the scholarship award letter clearly states the total amount awarded, the duration of the scholarship, and what expenses it covers. It should explicitly mention tuition, living expenses, and any other relevant costs. The more detailed, the better. Verify that the letter is on official letterhead and signed by an authorized representative of the scholarship organization. This authenticity is crucial for immigration authorities. A clear, unambiguous document is essential. Keep multiple copies of this official scholarship letter, both physical and digital. You will need to submit this document with your visa application. It is the cornerstone of your financial proof. If the scholarship is paid in installments, ensure the letter confirms the total annual amount. Immigration departments typically require proof of funds for at least the first year of your stay. A comprehensive letter simplifies this process. Understanding the different types of scholarships available can significantly impact your strategy for proving funds. Each type offers unique benefits, and combining them can provide comprehensive financial security. Aim for scholarships that offer broad coverage. Full scholarships. These are the most comprehensive, covering tuition, living expenses, health insurance, and sometimes even travel. A full scholarship is the ideal scenario for proving funds, as it leaves little doubt about your financial stability. It provides complete peace of mind. Tuition waivers. While these cover your academic fees, they do not typically include living costs. If you secure a tuition waiver, you will still need to demonstrate proof of funds for your daily expenses. These are excellent, but often require supplementary funding. Living stipends/grants. These scholarships specifically provide funds for your daily living expenses, such as rent, food, and transportation. They are incredibly valuable for visa applications, as they directly address the cost of living. They complement tuition waivers perfectly. Research grants. Often awarded to graduate students, these grants support specific research projects and may include a stipend for living costs. They demonstrate a clear purpose for your stay and provide financial backing. They are a strong indicator of your commitment. Partial scholarships. These cover a portion of your expenses, whether tuition or living costs. While helpful, you will need to show proof of funds for the remaining balance. Combining multiple partial scholarships can often amount to full coverage. The impact of these scholarships on your proof of funds is direct and significant. A comprehensive scholarship package strengthens your visa application immensely. It shows immigration authorities that you have a legitimate, pre-arranged financial plan. This reduces their risk assessment of you. Aim for scholarships that provide a clear, verifiable financial commitment from a reputable source. This commitment is what immigration officers look for. It simplifies the entire visa application process, making your journey smoother and more secure. While scholarships offer a legitimate pathway, it is crucial to be aware of legal considerations and avoid scams. The world of scholarships can sometimes attract fraudulent schemes. Your goal is to build a solid, legal foundation for your move abroad. Always apply for scholarships through reputable and official sources. These include university financial aid offices, government education departments, established nonprofit organizations, and well-known scholarship databases. Be wary of unsolicited offers. Never pay a fee to apply for a scholarship. Legitimate scholarship providers do not charge application fees. Any request for payment is a major red flag and likely indicates a scam. Protect your financial information. Be extremely cautious of any scholarship that guarantees an award or promises an unrealistic amount of money with minimal effort. Genuine scholarships are competitive and require thorough applications. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Thoroughly research any scholarship provider before submitting personal information or applying. Check their official website, look for reviews, and verify their legitimacy through independent sources. A quick search can save you from significant trouble. Understand that misrepresenting your financial situation or using fraudulent documents for a visa application has severe consequences. This can lead to visa denial, future travel bans, and even legal penalties. Always be truthful and transparent. Your scholarship award letter must be authentic and verifiable. Immigration authorities may contact the scholarship provider to confirm the details. Ensure all information is accurate and consistent with the provider's records. Integrity is key. By adhering to these guidelines, you protect yourself from scams and ensure your proof of funds is legally sound. This builds a strong, credible foundation for your international journey. Your future abroad depends on legitimate processes. Moving abroad is an incredible opportunity, and scholarships provide a powerful, legitimate pathway to make it happen. We've covered the essential steps to leverage scholarships for proving funds, ensuring your journey is both successful and legally sound. Remember the strategic approach. Research thoroughly to identify the right opportunities. Target your applications by tailoring each one to the specific scholarship. Document everything meticulously, ensuring all paperwork is accurate and complete. Crucially, leverage the proof of funds angle in your applications, clearly articulating how the scholarship will cover your expenses. Finally, secure official acceptance and confirmation letters from your scholarship providers. This document is your golden ticket. This comprehensive strategy empowers you to overcome the financial hurdle of moving abroad. It transforms a daunting requirement into a clear, achievable goal. You are not just seeking financial aid. You are building a robust case for your international aspirations. Now, it's time to take action. Start your research today. Explore the vast world of scholarships available for international students and aspiring global citizens. The resources are out there, waiting for you to discover them. For a comprehensive list of recommended scholarship databases, application guides, and helpful resources, check the description below this video. These tools will provide you with the starting points you need to begin your journey. Your dream of moving abroad is within reach.